Okay, I'm walking now to the food truck wars. I'm gonna look for events. Echo Station food truck. So let's check it out. Check this out. Oh, over there. It's Events food truck. Let's check it out. Mini donuts. Ito na ang Echo Station. I'm here. Hi. Busy yung donut. Event. Hi, right here. Betsky. Ten. Nasaan ang girl? Ito na ako. Bibili lang ang lechon. Nagutom na ako. Welcome to the inside of the food truck. To go. Hi! I'm here. Magagandang nagbibenta ng lechon. Talagang hindi ako kumain. Dahil natin lechon. So check out the food truck wars here until Sunday. Go, go, go! Okay, I got my lechon and also pancit and calamansi juice. So mission accomplished. I'm going home now because I am tired. It's been a full day at work and now it's time to go home. Kailangan tumawid. Masagasaan tayo. Yan. Hopefully, okay. Nice to see Yvette. Diba? Saya-saya. Hopefully sold out again today. So, congratulations, friend, on your business.